Hey guys, welcome back. I recorded a video yesterday, but I didn't actually upload it, so I need to do that. Um, but today I'm gonna try to make this one kind of quick, um, which is funny because I probably have the most to talk about. But I want to try to get this done and get this done. It makes it sound like this is something that just needs to be finished, but this is just uh, the people that live with me are coming home basically, so I need to wrap this up rather quickly here. But yeah, just give me a minute to talk. And here, let me take the sweatshirt off real quick. I'm kind of sweating. One sec. Oh, okay. So I want to talk first about this weekend because uh, I guess we can maybe back it up to probably Thursday. Thursday was when I was like, you know what? I can't keep making excuses for myself. I can't keep giving me reasons to not go and create what I need to. So I set out and I made the decision to code because my girlfriend asked me, "Hey, can you build me this basically Calendly on uh, like an application that will allow me to like book clients and stuff for my photography business?" So she said that, and I was like, you know what? Why not? Right? Because I have Cursor. Uh, I know what I need, right? I need Supabase to host the database. I need Vercel or some kind of hosting service to host the site on a server, and the rest I can just kind of do with Cursor and Shad CN. So within about an hour, I whipped up most of it. Still need to host it, but I've got most of those building blocks just ready to go. So that was really nice to do, and I was like, uh, I think a day or two passed where I hadn't worked on it, and I was like, you know what? Because she was basically like, oh, my application actually has this built into it, so maybe you don't need to build it. And I'm like, okay, sure. But I was like, you know what? If I can do this quickly, what's stopping me from building this like all in one app that I know that I wanted to build for so long, right? And this would basically track my habits. This would track my running. This would track my working out. This would eventually track like my eating. This would track my weight. Like, I really want to be pulling from a bunch of APIs that are free, and I can pull in stuff like my Pokemon collection. I can pull in uh, my YouTube feed, like what I want to watch. I can just have this one site that does virtually everything I need to do. Try to keep it as cheap as possible, and I can make the site like do reviews. I can make the site do virtually anything. Right now, it's just habit tracking, journaling, and artwork uploading. And so far, it's been working really well. So far, I haven't had any major issues. I was able to get it up to Supabase. I was able to hook that functionality in, and once I get this on GitHub, I can hook it to Vercel fairly easily. But my buddy's saying, yeah, well, you could probably do it cheaper if you just hosted it on like hosting or Namecheap. I've heard go around Cloudflare. I think Namecheap is more the domain instead of the hosting, but I don't know. I'd have to look into it. And he also said just host it on a VPS because it'd be virtually free, so I could look into that as well. But yeah, the main thing is just like these possibilities are out there, and with AI, I can get this done so quickly. Because that's what I figured, right? I have so much backlog data. By the time I were to actually code this and test it and try it and keep working with it on my own without using AI, I would be way behind where I would be, and I have to enter in all the data manually to just be such a pain in the ass. And that's why it's like in this case, working with AI is good. And what's nice is like because this isn't for work, I have no UI specs. I have no spec sheet for the UI, so it could literally just be whatever. I could just use pre-generated Shad CN components, and I'd be fine. Because Because right now it's functionality over look, which is great, because that's gonna be the hard part, is getting the functionality to work. But once I do, everything's gonna look super nice. It's gonna be super nice. Yeah, I wanted to come on here and talk about that, and I wanted to also mention that I've been continuing to do my Japanese. I haven't walked, I didn't walk yesterday. I think the day before I did run. So I'm trying to keep my running up. I'm trying to keep my walking up. It's just like these weekends I tend to get a little lazy, and it's just not great. Victory, yay. We'll probably keep going, why not? Just go a little bit longer. But yeah, there's no way I'm getting the BMA up. There's just 0 chance. I have $1, that's crazy. But yeah, I really wanted to come on here and mention that, like, I've been doing videos, I've been doing what I need to. I've been also coding and working in Next.js and trying to get a site that I'm proud of, that is functional and can work well. So, ooh, bless me. Oh, bless me. But yeah, today I did something I probably shouldn't have, that I know I shouldn't be doing, and I also was I haven't started drinking my coffee yet because it's 10:19, but I probably will. And I ate some waffles and some bacon, so not the healthiest breakfast, but still. Yeah, I wanted to come on here and tell you guys, even when I fall short, I want to let you guys know. But that's about all I got. That was just a quick update. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Sorry for this one being kind of shorter, but yeah. Peace out. Take care.